Are your USB ports turning off after a few minutes? This is usually caused by Windows power saving settings. Let's fix it in under a minute. First, press Windows plus X on your keyboard, then click Device Manager. This is where we'll adjust your USB settings. Now, scroll down and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. You'll see multiple USB root hub entries. These control your USB ports. Right-click on each individual and go to Power Management. Only uncheck them if you are having this problem. Uncheck this box that says allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, then click OK. Now, repeat this process for every USB root hub in the list to make sure all your USB ports stay active. Once you've done that, restart your PC and plug your USB device back in. It should now stay connected without any issues. And that's it. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick PC fixes. See you next time.